Getting business credit used to be easy. Today, it's a different world. Approval rates have dropped by more than half. And if you don't know why, you could be setting yourself up for months, even years of rejection. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what's changed, why it matters to you, and what you can do to still win in business funding in 2025. So stick around because I'm even going to give you a checklist you can use today to clean up your business profile, boost your chances. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Chess. I've secured well over 400K in total business funding for my businesses, and I've helped business owners and entrepreneurs just like yourself secure business funding for their business. So everything I teach here is based on real world experiences, either from myself or from my clients. So let's rewind to 2021 and 2022. Back then, approval rates for business credit was around 70 to 80%. That means if you submitted 10 credit applications, 7 or 10 of them were going to get approved. Fast forward to today, 2025, and those numbers have gone all the way down to around 30 to 40%. So maybe 3 or 4 approvals out of 10 tries. And this isn't just one bank, it's all across the board. Big banks, local banks, credit unions, they're all tightening up. And I was recently on a call with some of the top business bankers from national banks, credit unions, and they all said the exact same thing. The approval landscape is getting tighter, and it's been in years. They're looking at businesses with a microscope now, and there's no more easy approvals. So let me break down a little bit why it's getting a little bit harder for everyone. There's bad business data, and this is going to be the number one killer when your business file looks messy. You look immediately like risky to lenders. And what bad data means is like your business name triggers red flags. You could be in the wrong industry or the wrong industry codes, which is your NICS code. You could also have inconsistent or missing information across your bureaus or your database. So an example of this is if your business name has words like investments or real estate, many banks automatically mark you as a high risk. And even if your business is perfectly legit, you will be flagged and likely be denied before a human ever sees your application. Another one is wrong business name. And words matter in your business name. Here are some common bad words to avoid. We have like investments, fix and flips, development. If you have those in your name, you might not want to have those in your name or create a brand new LLC. Also, another one would be consulting. In this day and age, consulting could be classified as more on the risky side due to everyone using it in the last couple of years. So, one of our clients had development in their name, and even though they were just a tech startup, every application we did with them got stuck in review. And once we reconstructed and renamed the business properly, the approvals finally start rolling in. Okay, another one would be having a sketchy NICS code. So what does that mean? Your NICS code tells the banks what kind of business you run. And many people think they can just cheat the system by picking consulting because it sounds safe. But here's the problem for you. Banks are now checking if your real transaction matches the industry that you claim. Even if you say you're a consultant, but your transactions, they look like real estate deals or product sales, you get red flags and denials. And I would pick an NICS code that matches what you actually do and not just what sounds safe. Last, we have weak business address. So your business address, it must look real. And if you're using a PO box, a mailbox rental, or a very cheap virtual address, banks can spot it immediately. You can use your residential address, it should not be a problem. You can also use office buildings, and sometimes the banks can verify a true business location. It is pretty easy for them. They could just look it up on like USPS.com and look up your address to see if it's a commercial location. So we had a client who used a random mailbox service thinking it wouldn't matter. We're not going to name the mailbox service, but their app was denied for non-verifiable address. We moved them into a real co-working space with an office suite number. There's an instant difference for him there. And we have no banking liquidity. So even if everything looks good, if your business bank account shows no real movement, no real operations, the lenders get nervous. They're going to look at how much cash flow you have coming through the account, hence operation, and are there real business transactions actually happening in the business account? Or are you just sitting on an empty account? That could be something that could be holding you back too. Mini tip for you: start running all your business payments and operations, even your small ones, through your business bank account. That way you could build a track record with them and show that this is going to be an active account with the banks. And to get funded today, your business must look safe. That means clean business name, like we talked about, clean NICS code, like we talked about, a real business address. Residential address is perfectly fine, again. Have an active business account with your cash flow coming through it. And here's the good news for all of you guys: most people aren't fixing these issues, and they're applying over and over again. They're getting frustrated. But if you clean up just those four areas, you can skyrocket your chances with while everybody else keeps struggling. So imagine getting 50, 100, or even 150K in business funding simply because you make your business bank friendly. So if you need one-on-one help to help secure 100K plus in business funding, or you want this completely done for you, apply to join my mentorship or my done for you program in the links in the description below or in the pinned comments below as well. This is CashflowChes. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.